Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this Hi-Cam 4K autofocus webcam with two noise suppressing microphones. It has even a cover in the front for more safety. It's a plug and play camera which is compatible with almost all the devices which have standard USB-A ports. So it can work for PC, Mac, works also for Zoom meetings and a lot of other software. It has a pretty decent 91 degrees wide angle. So I'm going to take it out of the box and show you what you get and then plug it into my laptop and show you some real life footage. And so here we have the box a little bit closer. Also some specs here, also from the back, and also some description underneath. So let's open it, see what we get. There's a QR code for the user manual. That's already something really nice. But it comes also with a full-size manual. But I mean, it's plug and play, so I'm not expecting to use it. What we get here is a very long USB-C cable. It is also very strong, very solid, very thick. So I guess it has some nice protection against interference. And here's the camera itself, a really solid one. It's pretty heavy, definitely metal. So we remove the stickers. It's a little bit hard to see, but there's definitely also one in front of the camera lens. So we remove that too. So I think we have the microphones here left and right. And in the back we have the USB-C port. We plug it in. And now let's plug the USB-A into the computer. Let's see if we get some notification. Yeah, we see it's saying setting up a device. We are setting up 4K USB camera. So we are not going to use that at the moment until we get a second confirmation. Okay, and so we have the confirmation here saying the device is ready. And so we start a program using this camera. And so we are using the Microsoft Camera software. Click a couple of times here on the right top till we have the right camera. And now it's saying 4K camera and we have a picture here. And so we have the live image here. So here I am directly recording from this camera. You can see me in this camera. This is everything what's recorded from the camera. There's the audio and there's the video directly recorded from this camera here. And so you should be able to determine how good the audio is. And I would say it makes a really good impression. We can definitely see the autofocus, so it's not always in the same focus depending on where we are. We can go very close here. Of course, need sometimes a little bit of time to adjust, but that's really nice. And when I go away, it's focusing on my face. And the colors are really good. The image is wide enough, has a really natural tone, I would say. So let's also check on the wide angle. So let's go close to the box, which would be a 90 degrees angle. So we can still see the whole box and we are already pretty close. So I would say it's very close to a 90 degrees angle. And what we also have here is this nice clamp. It's pretty strong, I would say, really nice, flexible, has also this soft rubber coating. And when we have it positioned on top of the laptop or monitor, we can still change the angle. And so let's mount the camera here on top. So I think it has a solid hold, absolutely awesome view, nice and clear, good colors, everything really fantastic. So for me, it makes really good impression. So I can highly recommend it. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.